What's up, dudes? Our house has this television loft area that's pretty bland, and that just won't do. So we DIY'd this moody wall trim that made the room kick ass. I'm gonna show you how we did it, step by step. Check it out. First things first, we gotta get our shit out of the way. While we're doing that, man, if you dig my DIY videos, please subscribe, like, and comment. We used a real scientific way to decide where the top piece of trim was gonna go. Then I used a laser level to mark it. We laid out all the trim by marking it with painter's tape. We used tape for a few different reasons. Truthfully, we didn't know exactly how we wanted the grid to be laid out. The tape acts as visual representation to give us an idea of how everything's gonna look in the end. And as an added bonus, dudes, it's kind of a hack. We're gonna leave the tape up so it'll be a guide as we start hanging up the trim. We were pretty stoked with the tape layout, so I got to work cutting, gluing, and nailing up a shitload of trim. Now you can totally do this process without a nail gun, and I have, but man is it a pain in the ass. Even if you're a beginner, I highly recommend picking up a finish nailer for your DIY arsenal. They make the job a breeze, and they're badass. And as for what kind of trim to use, man, just go to the hardware store and walk down the aisle. Grab whatever speaks to you, you can't go wrong. The name of the game here is consistency. Be sure to measure and make sure everything is square at every step along the way. Yo dude, put on some tunes, take your time, we got no place to be. Alright man, it's time to paint that shit. If you've been following my other DIY videos for very long, you know exactly what color I reached for. It's Black Magic by Sherwin-Williams. We typically use a satin finish because it looks elegant and buttery, but also badass. Yo dudes, don't be afraid to paint things in your house black. It's definitely moody, but it's also super calming. You'll see. Hell, I even swapped out the plugs, outlets, and plates because let's face it, these old white ones just don't fit anymore. Hell yes. We only needed to pick up a few new accessories to round out the room. I found these rad goth lanterns at World Market and couldn't buy them fast enough. Metal and chains? You got it. Well dudes, here she is. What do you think? Drop me some questions, comments, and criticisms, man. What do you love? What do you hate? Oh yeah, check it out. We also picked up this hammered metal coffee table at World Market. Alright dudes, it's getting late. If you like my DIY videos, please give me a subscribe and follow me on my socials. And as for me, man, I'm gonna unwind and polish off these frosty martinis. Later.